This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Candace McGuffey. This 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home has an open floor plan, family room with fireplace, large kitchen with granite countertops, island and pantry including a mudroom with cubbies. A formal dining room with coffer ceilings. The large master bedroom has a sitting area, 2 walk-in closets and bathroom with his and her vanities. A covered porch with a fireplace and TV access and a fenced-in backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Candace McGuffey at 865-342-4200.